Hey Simple Fam, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Simple Life of Julene. So today I'm gonna be doing a mini haul and show you guys some outfit that I rocked this week. If you guys want to see the outfit that I put together, well, keep on watching and let's get straight into the video. Yes guys, welcome back my Simple Fam. So good to see you guys. If you are new here, welcome to the Simple Fam. For all my OGs that keep holding us down, thank you. So without ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first outfit that I wanted to show is I did this really nice green sweater. I pair it with this beautiful long pleated skirt. It's like a cream and silver glitter that it has inside of it. I really love this skirt. I haven't wear it out yet. It's so cute. It made me look so what should I say, so grown up, like a mom. So I paired with this sweater, and you will see in the video that I put beside, I pair it also with some really nice brown boots and camel color jacket to go with it. That was really complement this outfit. I have to say the sweater is warm, and just to do something different from always putting like a dress in a shirt, but kind of like make it into a winter outfit was really a delight to put this outfit together. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think about the first outfit, but for me, I really love that first outfit. And then the second outfit I put together was this bodycon dress I got from Fashion Over. So this one is a while ago, so it has the really high neckline. So this one, I actually wear this outfit twice. So I did it as the bodycon. I put a what should I say, a leggings under these, and I pair it with the boots, and I gotta say the outfit was really cute, comfy and sexy. And then what I did after that too, I actually end up using the same dress and I pair it with some black high-waisted jeans to give it a different look. And this one now I tucked it into my tights to take away the bunginess, so it kind of give it like a smooth look. And so there you go, idea for you guys. You can wear your bodycon dress in different ways if you want to change it up, because sometimes you might have an outfit and then the dress kind of go with the pants, but you don't know how to rock it or change it. You can always tuck it into your pants and give it a different look and use your dress as a top. And also what I did, the same outfit, and what I did to kind of give it more of a comfy wear, I paired it with this cardigan I got from Fresh Co that I really love. It's really soft, it's long. Love the look of the gray and white look, so it kind of popped that all black outfit and give it a really good look. And I paired that with some booties, some booties, as you will see it in the picture. That's really good. And then I put my my little, what should I say now, my little toucan, and pop that outfit and give it a nice little look. So that outfit, I really like it. Very simple, very elegant. And then the next outfit I did that I'll show you guys is this beautiful tutu dress. It has that little flare underneath it. This one I got from H&M a while back. Really love it. Give you a different look. And then I pair it with this tube top to give it that little elegant look, as you see it in the video. And then you guys can't see it in the video, so I'll show you. I pair it with these really nice I guess open toe booty shoes I got from Shoes Dazzle, and this one's like 3-4 years ago I got them. Really nice. I think I've only wear these one time out. Really like those shoes to give it a different look, and just put some leggings to keep my legs warm if you're going out in the winter time, if that's where you are in the area where it's cold and you might need something to keep your foot warm. So this one was really cute. And then with the same tube top, I paired this high-waisted paper bag shorts with these, with the tube top and the same shoes that I showed you, and to give it that casual, you know, girls look, I paired it with this Post Malone jeans jacket that I got that I really love. Post Malone heads there, and I put that onto the outfit, and you'll see tonight how really nice the outfit look. And then you can take it off, lay it on your shoulder if you want, which is really cute. And then out of that one, now I had this, we call it now, this is like a shirt dress, pleated, it pleated at the bottom, checker shirt dress, long sleeve. Love the lace that it has, not even lace, but that, what should I say, ribbon that comes out that you can tie, so you can tie to the front and dress it up. What I did with this one, I put, let me find it. Sorry, yes. I put this, the bodycon dress under this one. So I wear this bodycon 3 ways. I put this bodycon just to give me that turtleneck look up top, and I put this one over it to give it a different look, and it turned out really nice. And also, which is going to give me a little bit more of a warm knit over my legs. So with the how should I say, with the leggings, yeah, so it gave me a warm look with the leggings underneath to give me a little extra padding, as you can see it, and it was really nice. I love it that it's kind of flowy, but if I wanted to change it up, I can even get like a pin. I can even pin the back to make it more fitted. I can also fling like a belt around it to give me that belt look. So I have that style. So this was one of the outfits that I rock. Yeah, and the next outfit I wanted to show was this body suit that I have here, and I paired that with some dark blue jeans that you will see here, with my camel heels, which I thought was really cute. Really like the outfit, really like the material of this bodysuit. It's so nice and soft, like against your skin, really soft. It's a little bit thin, but it's very stretchy. That's what I love about it, is stretch, and it will go great with your outfit. So I paired this, and then I just fling like a blue cardigan. I have these blue cardigan. I just threw it over it to quickly wear it because I was going to a meeting and I didn't have time. So I kind of like, I could have put a blazer over it, dressed up, but I didn't want to be too dressed up, so I just fling this one on. So that is it for the outfits. And then the next outfit that I'm rocking is actually this top that I am wearing right now. So I paired that with the jeans pants, and this one I put on is the floral. I love the hand. You can pull it up if you want to give it that style. So there you go. And I pair this one with the with the camel shoes that I have, which is really cute. And then I also fling my hat on to take a picture just to see how it looked, and I thought the outfit looked banging. And yeah, that was pretty much it for my outfit this week. So let me know what you guys think of the outfit that I threw together. Let me know if there's anything in there that you see that you really like, that you would have wear or wouldn't wear. Anything, it doesn't matter. Drop me a line down below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.